service. Open the engine bonnet and secure it safely in the open position. Install the fender covers. Brake fluid level check. To check brake fluid level, open the hood and locate the brake fluid reservoir. Check the fluid level on the maximum and minimum level indicators marked on the side of the reservoir. Fluid level should be near maximum level. If the level is found low, top up the reservoir with the specified brake fluid up to maximum level. Be careful not to overfill. After top up, install the reservoir cap securely. Brake system is a closed system. Low fluid level indicates brake lining wear or a fluid leak. Brake fluid replacement. Locate the brake fluid reservoir. Remove the reservoir cap and strainer. Use a syringe or similar device to take out the old brake fluid from the reservoir. Place the discarded brake fluid into a container that can be disposed of in an environmentally correct manner. Remove as much old fluid as possible. Top up the master cylinder reservoir with fresh fluid until it reaches the full line. Take the help of an assistant to push the brake pedal to flush out old fluid and bleed the air out of the brake system. Follow the sequence of bleeding as per the location of master cylinder in the engine compartment, that is, on right or left. Locate all the bleeder screws and start bleeding from the bleeder screw that is farthest from the master cylinder. Connect a clear bleeder hose to the bleeder screw and insert the other end into a jar. Ask the assistant to pump the brake pedal several times and keep it pressed. Open the bleeder screw and you can observe the old fluid and air bubbles coming out. Let the assistant keep the pedal pressed. Close the bleeder screw and have the assistant slowly release the pedal. Continue this process until there are no more air bubbles coming out of the bleeder plug and the new brake fluid starts coming out. Tighten the bleeder screw. Repeat this procedure for each of the other wheel, moving closer to the master cylinder. Keep on refilling the master cylinder while moving from one wheel to another. Do not let it run dry. Finally, check all the bleed points and hose connections for leaks while the assistant is maintaining the pressure on the system. Check the brake fluid level at the master cylinder reservoir. Add the fluid if necessary. Install the reservoir cap securely. Remove fender covers. Close the bonnet. Finally, the vehicle should be road tested to ensure the proper functioning of the braking system.